Hello everyone, my name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today we'll be making a sweet dish, a very healthy sweet dish. It is called churmundo. It is a laddu. So let's start. Required for making churmundo are wheat flour. I have taken 4 bowls of wheat flours. This is 1 bowl and this is 3 bowls. So I'm going to add 1 more bowl. So it is 4 bowls. So if you are using a cup, you can use 4 measures. To that we have to add 1 bowl of semolina, sugar to taste. It depends on how much sweet you want your laddus to be. I have taken here this bowl full of sugar. If we want, we'll add some more. So we have to powder this sugar. One way of powdering this sugar is to mix the cardamom and the salt along with the sugar and powder it. And some resins we require and ghee, of course. We have to get the laddus. So we require the ghee until we can form laddus with this flour. First we have to roast, not together, separately. I'll show you how to do it. I'm adding the wheat flour to the kadai. We have to brown this till we get the aroma. It takes a long time. So with lot of patience, you have to keep stirring it until it becomes brown. After 5 minutes of roasting, the atta has turned this way. I have kept it on sim because if you keep it on high, flour will burn. So you have to keep on sim flame and keep stirring it. You cannot stop stirring. You have to continuously stir. When you lift the atta like this, you can see it's heavy. Once you complete roasting it and it becomes brown, the atta will be very light. As we are roasting the flour, to save time, we will roast the rava in another kadai and simultaneously roast both of them. I am adding the rava into the kadai. This also you have to do it in sim and it has to slightly turn to golden brown. Now the atta or the wheat flour has completely roasted. It took us half an hour to roast this wheat flour and 20 minutes to roast the semolina. The color has changed. It has become golden brown, and when you drop the rava from the ladle, it will fall easily like this. And here it has become very light. It has roasted completely. So you have to keep roasting. It should not become deep brown. It should become light brown. Now let this cool for some. Both the semolina as well as wheat flour. In meantime, we will grind sugar to a smooth powder. If you don't want to grind it, you can buy the powdered sugar only. I have added salt, cardamom and the sugar. We are going to grind this into a smooth powder. Now this is ready. I am going to add it to the wheat flour. And now you can add the semolina also and mix it thoroughly. Now we have to add ghee. I have taken 1 bowl in this. I have switched off the gas. Now test whether the ghee is enough or no. When you do this, you have to be able to form a laddu. I think we'll require a little more ghee because if you touch like this, it should not fall apart. I'm adding a little more ghee because see, this laddu is not forming. Now when I've added some ghee, your laddu atta is ready for rolling the laddus. So what we have to do is, the resins that you have taken, now you have to put it in one of the laddus like this, and finally you have to do this. See, one resin should be visible like that on top. This will ensure that each laddu will have at least 1 resin. Yes, it will look beautiful also if you just do this. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notification. Please follow me on my Instagram page for more updates. The link is given in the description box.